Seems like GoPro is planning to refresh its whole camera lineup in September, starting with the Hero, set to replace the 11 Black Mini, continuing with the Hero 13 Black and Max 2. So in this video, I will share with you all the leaked specs, prices, and release date. Let's get into it. So as we were saying, the new GoPro Hero will replace the 11 Black Mini, which was released back in 2022. This new action camera will be GoPro's lightest and smallest 4K capable camera, and it features a significant update from its predecessor, touchscreen on the back, which was very small and black and white on the 11 Mini. However, from the images we have, seems like the sensor will be smaller than the previous model, compromising in low light performance. Hopefully that will be due to a lower entry-level price at around $300 to $400. Finally, the camera will also feature a front heatsink to better dissipate the heat. Moving on to the Hero 13 Black. From the leaked images, it looks like it will maintain the same design of the previous generations. The main difference on outside is the heatsink up front, like the regular Hero. But the most interesting upgrade is the new mounting system, featuring a magnetic clip, just like the one used by DJI since the Action 2, introduced back in 2022. But now also used by Insta360 with the Ace Pro. So while it's not a proper new feature, it's good that GoPro adopted it to align with the competitors. The camera will probably get some more upgrades to the hypersmooth stabilization or some AI features. There are also upgrades to the outside lenses. In fact, there will be a new macro lens mod that will allow to focus objects 3 times closer than the standard lens. And the max lens mod is now named ultra-wide lens mod. But that doesn't mean it features a wider field of view, because it will remain the same at 177 degrees. Finally, the last GoPro releasing in September will be the Max 2, which was already been leaked a few months ago. It will keep the same form factor as the original Max, but with some useful tweaks. Once again, like the other models we saw, it will feature a heatsink on the outside. The sensors will likely be upgraded, being larger and maybe supporting up to 8K resolution, like the Insta360 X4. And finally, it could feature the same magnetic mounting mechanism as the Hero 13 Black, along with a newer software to edit the 360 footage. However, we don't have any leaks about its price. And finally, the release date. All these action cameras are rumored to be released on September 16th. Subscribe so you won't miss any updates about the new GoPros, and drop a like if this video was helpful.